In this video today, I'm going to show you guys a brand new product by PnwRcMadness. Alright guys, so before I get the orange one out of the package, we're going to be installing that one on more of a lighter based truck. Let me show you guys my almost 40-pound 12S Xmaxx. Alright guys, so before I go any farther with this video, I just wanted to show you guys this battery. Actually is from 412. Oh my goodness guys, this battery is from Turnigy. I'm going off course, but look, it is not even puffed. It is still an excellent battery, has low ER, and well, it is almost 50 millimeters, and it fits perfectly underneath the chassis brace with the ESC Caddy installed. Let me show you. Before I move on, I just wanted to show you guys one of my larger size batteries and how it fits in the truck underneath the ESC Caddy. This Lipo is 49 by 50, almost 51 millimeters. Let me show you guys how it fits in the truck. Just like that, with room to spare. The reason I'm showing this truck is because I just wanted to show you guys the difference between a huge mod ESC, which fits right on top of the ESC Caddy, and well, a more stock size truck with a 49/90 size motor, not this big, gigantic 12S 70 125 pop can size / monster 32-ounce pop can size motor. Okay, so before I go on the rest of the video, guys, I just wanted to say I hope you guys got a good look at this truck. Not everybody wants to build a truck this sophisticated, this advanced, this expensive, but guys, check out the website. I've got all the parts on my website listed. I'll leave a bunch of links below, and then guys, you can hit me up. Personally, I'll give you guys a discount code where you can save 10%. And then for all you content creators, if you guys want to make content for my channel, for my parts, hit me up. I can hit you up with a bigger discount. So there's that, guys. Let's go ahead, get the stock ESC Caddy up here and fit it to the Xmaxx. All right, this is a completely different Xmaxx compared to the other 12S Xmaxx. Again, the 12S Xmaxx, we're using the 4mm carbon fiber ESC Caddy, and here we have the Hobbywing Max4 mounted on top. In the 8S Xmaxx, we're not going to use the ESC Caddy, we're just going to use the rails left and right and the uprights. Right at the last minute, I decided to go with blue and not the orange. This is what you're going to get in the package. You're going to get 2 rails. You're going to get a front left and a front rear, a front right and a front rear, a left rear. You're going to get the crossbars. You're also going to get the hardware, and then you're going to get the supplied ESC Caddy 4mm carbon fiber tray, which we're not going to be using in this build. Real quick, super simple to install. Just make sure you have your rails facing the right direction, and the way you're going to know that is you're going to have these holes on the rails facing toward the front of the truck. Now, because we're not using the ESC Caddy, you're just going to get one side ready like this. Make sure you have front left and rear left. Loctite it, and then all you're going to do, line up your stanchions, and it drops right into place. And you're ready to screw off the crossbars. At this point, go ahead and slide the second rail in. Go ahead and take your 2 cross rails, drop them in place, and use the supplied hardware. You're going to have M4 by 22. Loctite those. Go from the underside with the M4 by 10s and secure this in place, and you guys are ready to go. These CNHLs fit super nicely underneath the bars. Check that out. All right. And these are super skinny packs, guys. not fat at all. And we don't have the ESC Caddy in there as well, so you can fit an even bigger pack. Look at that. Okay, Max 6, 4990, 1650 kV PnwRcMadness 25mm motor mount. Okay. Oh, that was not what we wanted to do. Uh-oh. Mud pit. Oh wow, guys, you got to be kidding me. Right there, broke right there. Okay, well, it didn't break, but we don't have the part, so that's going to end the video. Let's look at the chassis brace. All right, guys, check that out. There it is. Got them in all colors. We're not broken. We just lost the pin. It's around here somewhere. I think we need to do the GPM upgrade. It's time to do the GPM upgrade, guys. Anyways, thanks for watching the channel. Please do leave me a like, leave me a comment, leave me a big thumbs up. I will leave a link in the description below. And yeah, guys, catch you guys on the next one. Whoosh.